us. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Newport Centre is a small and peaceful community on the beautiful Gaspé Peninsula in Quebec. This quiet town is located along the stunning Baie des Chalets, which means Bay of Warmth. The bay is famous for its calm waters, incredible views, and amazing wildlife. Newport Centre is part of the larger municipality of Chandler, which was formed in 2001 when several smaller towns and villages came together. The area has a rich history, with roots that trace back to early settlers, including those of French and Irish heritage. These settlers were drawn to the region's natural beauty and abundant resources. Nature plays a big role in Newport Centre. The Baie des Chalets offers opportunities for fishing, kayaking, or simply relaxing by the water. You might even spot seals or seabirds while taking in the views. The surrounding forests and hills are perfect for hiking or snowshoeing, depending on the season. Fishing has always been important to this area, and you can still feel its influence today. Many locals enjoy fishing in the bay or nearby rivers. If you love the outdoors, Newport Centre is a perfect place to slow down and enjoy what nature has to offer. Life in Newport Centre is simple and peaceful, making it a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of big cities. It's a place where you can unwind, enjoy the beauty of nature, and feel connected to the surrounding community.